Forget everything you thought you knew about predicting markets. The agony of watching your investments crumble while analysts boast their foolproof data models. It's maddening. It's infuriating. And it's happening because the market is not some puzzle you can simply decode by running fancy algorithms. Feel that frustration burning inside? That helplessness as headlines scream about AI-driven predictions that fail spectacularly? The truth is brutal. No dataset, no machine, no chart can grant you certainty. The market dances to no single rhythm. It's chaotic, emotional, raw. But this doesn't mean giving up. Far from it. This means ripping apart the lies and finding power where others see only noise. Your problem is not that data science can't predict markets. Your problem is that everyone expects it to work like a crystal ball. That all you need is the right formula or the latest AI to unlock consistent profits. That you can sit back, plug in numbers, and watch wealth flow. And when it fails, you cling to excuses or blame the system. This trap of blind faith kills more investors than market crashes ever will. The real power is in knowing why data science is just a tool and how to wield it beyond the surface noise. Here's the raw truth. The market is a brutal ecosystem built by humans. Flawed, emotional, reactive. Its movement is not just price ticks, volumes, or sentiment indicators. It's fear and greed magnified by billions of decisions every second, spiraling into patterns no machine can fully grasp. That's the chaos data science confronts and often trips over. So, if you want to predict market moves, you must stop chasing illusions of perfect algorithmic certainty. Instead, embrace the chaos with razor-sharp discipline and an unrelenting edge. Step 1. Stop trusting models as oracles. Models die, markets evolve. Your job is not to find a permanent crystal ball, but to build a living radar, constantly updated, ruthless with failure, humble to change. When an algorithm breaks, don't cry or rage. Analyze why. Strip it to bones. Turn errors into ammunition. This obsession with perpetual adaptation is the edge nobody wants to admit they need. Be its master. Step 2. Know what data to trust. Markets spew oceans of data every millisecond. News, social media noise, order books, macro stats, most of it garbage. The elite investors slice through this with brutal selectivity. They don't chase every shiny data point. They hunt for signals born from real-world cause and effect, like shifts in supply chains, sudden regulatory changes, seismic shifts in industry leadership. This is where non-obvious, interdisciplinary knowledge wins. You are not just a number cruncher. You are a detective of reality. Blend finance, politics, psychology, and technology insights like a master alchemist. Step 3. Inject emotional intelligence into your algorithms. AI can read numbers, but it often misses human sentiment's subtle currents, panic, hope, euphoria, that blow through markets like storms. Build your models to detect these signals not just on a surface level, but deep in behavioral patterns. Track how crowds think, not just what prices say. The hidden truth is that market irrationality is often predictable if you understand psychology intimately. This is your secret weapon against cold, mechanical data. Step 4. Cultivate strategic patience and ruthless discipline. Data science gives you windows, chances, moments, not guarantees. The brutal truth many ignore. Most data-driven trades will fail or offer no edge. You must develop the iron will to pull the trigger only on your strongest convictions, not every slight hint. Wait, sometimes for weeks, months, to strike when data and gut scream in unison. This takes discipline that scares away the uncommitted. But discipline doesn't mean rigidity. It means openness to evolution. Keep your mind agile, your approach flexible. Step 5. Build a network of relentless knowledge sharers. No lone wolf beats the market forever. Connect with founders diving deep into emerging tech trends, with investors dissecting global macro shocks before headlines catch on, with professionals who breathe data but think beyond it. This synergy is your supercharger. It is the bridge from scattered information to strategic insight, from noise to signal. Build this network obsessively. Trust in the few who bring value, and discard the comfort of crowds. Step 6. Adopt a mindset of radical independence, not just from markets, but from belief systems, biases, outdated dogmas. Free your thinking from nationalism, ideologies, herd mentalities. Real freedom means forming your own map of reality, no matter how uncomfortable it is. This is terrifying because it demands constant questioning and brutal honesty. But it's also liberating. It's the foundation of true market mastery and the key to transcending limits others accept as facts of life. Finally, remember that investing is more than numbers. It's a reflection of the world's most dynamic forces: technology, culture shifts, geopolitical upheaval, human fears and dreams. You are not just predicting graphs. You are reading the pulse of humanity itself. And only those who embrace this full scope, who mix raw data with emotional sensitivity, who connect fiercely with the right people, who step with clarity and courage into uncertainty, only they will turn market chaos into opportunity. Does this feel like a call to arms? Good, because it is exactly that. No magic tricks, no shortcuts, only relentless work, deep insight, and iron discipline. This is not comfortable. It's not for the faint-hearted or those craving easy wins. But for the few who stand firm in this truth, the ones who refuse to be prisoners of illusions, the market becomes not a black box, but an arena for extraordinary mastery. The data science can never predict the market perfectly, but you can predict your own path through it, armed with knowledge, equipped with community, guided by clarity. This is the game changer's code. Let no one tell you otherwise.